Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Recorder YouTube channel. We are here to teach Python with sololearn, and in this tutorial, we want to go for the quiz in sololearn. Okay, guys, please follow our YouTube channel and like our videos in this channel. Let's go to the courses in sololearn and start the Python for beginner. We are in the season 2 and the last season in here, model 2 quiz. There is some questions about this season. Which of the following is a string? Absolutely, this one is string because other options like this is integer and this one is float. So this one is as a string because it's between two single quotations. Fill in the blanks to output welcome. So we need just a print and a welcome between two double quotations and the closes parentheses. What is output of this code? Print 42 plus 5. We have the output like this, 4 to 5 because every items are string. Filling the blanks to output A, B, C. We just need to print A, B, C, and we just need to add some plus characters between all of these strings. Which of the following is escape character? We know that backslash is a space character in Python. And finish. Now we are in a problem and we should solve this problem and finish the course, finish this season. Okay, it's about the strings and said you need to make a program for leaderboard. The program needs to output numbers 1 to 9, each one a separate line, okay, followed by by this, followed by a dot, okay, like this, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is the first way to print this code. I solved it before. I use a print. I just need a print in here, and I used three double quotes in first and end of my parentheses, between these parentheses, and I just write these numbers 1.2 dots, 3 dots, and until 9. If I use this way, I can print this output like this, and we have more ways to print this again. We can use loops and other Python codes because now it will be enough for this lesson because we don't learn that ways before. Okay, it said you can use backslash and new line characters to create a link brace or alternatively create a distride output using a three double quotes like this. If I run this code, we have a true output and result. And variables. A variable lets you store value by assigning it to a name. So the name can be used to refer to the value later in the program. For example, in a game development, you would use a variable to store how many points the player has scored. So a variable has a name and a value. To assign a variable, use one equal sign. Okay, let's get into the next lesson. Sorry, we are in the next season about variables, and it is enough for today. We finished the season 2 again in this video, and in the next video we are going to season 3 and about variables. Thank you guys. Please like this video, comment your opinion and watch other movies in our channel. Goodbye.